core reforms and provisions na pinupropose ang department. Una is to end the current liberalized import regime and establishes a managed rice trade system where imports are calibrated to complement, not displace local production. Ibig sabihin, sabi ni Sec nung ating budget hearing, kung ano lang yung pangangailangan tulad dati, yun lang yung i-allow po nating pumasok dito para po hindi maapektuhan yung pagtulong natin na maging competitive ang ating mga local farmers, rice farmers, and our local industry. At isa sa pinaka-importanting proposal, reforms and provisions ay yung pag-restore ng core mandate ng NFA on its role in domestic palay procurement. So hindi lang po i-restore yung role, but also palakasin pa yung kakayahan nila, no, in terms of investments in post-harvest facilities like drying and warehousing and storage, buffer stock, and more importantly, market stabilization with importation allowed only as a last resort by the government. And also, doon sa proposal, isa sa pinupropose po ng team, ng rice team ng DA is to establish a Philippine Rice Industry Development Program as the National Rice Roadmap, integrating yung National Rice Program, Rice Competitiveness Enhancement Fund or RCEF, and some activities of PhilRice, ATI, and LGU initiatives into a unified strategy, thereby creating a coordinating office, the Rice Industry Competitiveness Enhancement Office, which will serve as the policy and program secretariat, ensuring convergence of DA, NFA, and other implementing agencies under the PRIDP or the Philippine Rice Industry Development Program. And also on rice tariff and safeguard mechanism, we seek to authorize the President upon DA or NEDA or DepDev recommendation to adjust tariffs, suspend imports, or impose safeguard measures to stabilize prices and protect our farmers. And in view of the creation of PRIDP, the consolidate a rice industry development fund to consolidate tariff collections, NFA income, and GA allocations to finance the PRIDP priorities on high-quality seeds, mechanization, inputs, and buffer stock operations.